Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, we're going to dive into 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are low competition, they're high demand, and they're absolutely amazing. All of the 3 keywords revolve around one specific niche, and that is the accounting niche. And the accounting niche is super profitable. These keywords can be used for low content and medium content books, specifically when it comes to low content. So it's quite rare nowadays to come across low content niches with these statistics and with this profitability rate as well. Stay tuned. Also, if you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm Nora, and I do daily videos talking about profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are low competition, high demand. So if you're new to this channel, you're interested in this kind of content, go ahead and click on the subscribe icon, click on the notification bell in order to be informed on all our new daily videos. Also, just before we dive in, there will be a 30-day free trial for Canva Pro, as well as a 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica, which is my go-to when it comes to KDP interiors, KDP keywords, covers, and everything that you need to grow your KDP and print-on-demand business online. So check it out for 30 days for free. You can cancel it before the trial ends if it's not suitable for you at absolutely no cost to you. Now, let us dive into our first keyword. Now, we'll be using a total of 4 free Chrome extensions to analyze the profitability of each of the keywords in today's video. And these 4 Chrome extensions will be available for you linked in the description box below. I have also dedicated a full video where I dive into how to correctly and properly use all 4 Chrome extensions and activate them all at the same time in order to reap the rewards. So let's head into our first keyword for the day, and our first keyword is accounting ledger, and this is an amazing keyword with absolutely amazing great profitability metrics, as you can see right over here. Green light, ready to go from both of the top Chrome extensions that we're relying on, Self-Publishing Titans and Amazon Scout Pro. So Amazon Scout Pro has given us a number 9, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a great niche. Self-Publishing Titans has given us a keyword niche score of 83, which is quite high for this niche. And also we have the total results sitting below 5,000, and the total results are at 2,384. We've got the average bestseller rank under 100,000, and it's sitting at 47,640. Average reviews are 532, and average price is $12.58. My apologies. So what I love about this niche, this keyword specifically, is not just because of the great results, profitable stats that we're getting right here, but also because it is quite open. It is quite flexible in terms of what you decide to dive in. So you could utilize this keyword, accounting ledger, to create a workbook, a planner, a logbook, even a medium or high content book where you'll be diving into strategies relating to this niche as well. You can also use ChatGPT in order to help you come up with ideas. Just go on ChatGPT. You can even use the free option as well and say, I found a keyword that is profitable. It is accounting ledger. What kind of low content or medium content books that can I create using this as the main keyword? And it will give you some great ideas as well. Another resource that I use is Creative Fabrica. So for example, you can go to Creative Fabrica right over here, and you can be able to pop in this keyword in there, and it will give you hopefully some fabulous interiors. Now, when it comes to Creative Fabrica, you need to go ahead and change the interiors. Just add simple changes to it before re-uploading to Amazon KDP, and this really helps when it comes to avoiding duplicate content, avoiding copyright strikes, risking your account. We don't want all that. So why don't we just use this the right way? So as we have done here, Accounting Ledger has a total of 616 results on Creative Fabrica. Let's say, for example, I decide to use this one right over here. This one's a accounting ledger 6-column logbook. So I could just use this, download this right now, and then one of the changes that I will be making is, of course, adding a cover, adding a this book belongs to page if that's optional as well, adding an introduction page, maybe adding a resource page for accountants to use, maybe a little bit of a calendar if I want to optimize it for 2025. 2025 or for that current year as well. So these will be changes as well. I will also be able to add in specific changes to this interior, specifically when it comes to changing the fonts as well. Changing the fonts, maybe adding some colors to the little bars over here to make them color coded. Anything that would make this different than what it originally looked like. So I'm going to add in my own personal touches, and I'll be doing a tutorial in the next couple of videos where I will dive in on how I personally change the KDP interior from Creative Fabrica and then re-upload it to Amazon KDP that way. So that was the first keyword for the day, accounting ledger, and it has some fabulous results right over here with really good rates, such as this one. This one has a bestseller rank of 128. This one was the bestseller rank under 100,000, sitting at 61,628. Now approximately it is selling around 90 copies per month, generating around $225 on a monthly basis. This one again, 93,977, selling around 30 copies per month, generating $42. And then as you go scrolling down all these wonderful books right over here, they have a bestseller rank of under 100,000, which is ideal, and they're also having consistent sales as well. Now with that being said, let's head over to our second keyword for the day, which is linked to the same keyword or the same niche, and our second keyword is accounting ledger notebook. And I love notebook related KDP keywords because they're absolutely amazing and so easy to create as well, and they're quite profitable. So this one's more related to accounting ledger notebook, and it has a great keyword niche score by self-publishing titans of 95, and also Amazon's Cat Pro has given us a keyword niche score of number 7, categorizing this as a nice niche. Now when we come to the results right here by self-publishing titans, we can see that the total results are within that 1,000 range, and they're sitting at 1,715. The average bestseller rank is under 100,000, so usually I go with anything 300,000 and below. Of course, the lower the better. This one's at below 100,000, and it's sitting in an average range of 77,128. Average revenues at 302, and average price is $11.21. Scrolling down, we've got a couple of really good books that are ranking quite well. Now if you don't want to create an accounting ledger notebook and you would rather create an accounting ledger logbook, for example, workbook, anything like that, you could go ahead and use this keyword as your keyword for the 7 keyword slots as well. It will also help your book rank easier and better. But you know what, you come across a good keyword that is notebook related, so why not in the meantime just create 2 or 3 books under this keyword. Make sure that they're really good, and you can also target them for specific types of people, males, females, age groups, seniors, that kind of thing, to make it more targeted as well, and that would be really a good way for you to sub niche. So that was the second keyword for the day. Let's head to our final third keyword, also related to this niche, and this one is bill planner and accounting ledger, and this has fabulous results. First of all, really good high keyword niche score by self-publishing titans of 82. Although Amazon Cat Pro has given us a number 5, but we're going to go ahead and compare it to these results right over here, and if it contradicts the results given by self-publishing titans, which gives us a more thorough, detailed review of the keyword, then we're just going to ignore the number 5 and stick with titans. So as we said, titans has given us a green light ready to go of 82. Total results are below 1,000, sitting at 533. Average bestseller rank below 300,000, sitting at 243,295, and average reviews 482. Average price $9.39. So we're going to ignore the number 5 by Amazon Cat Pro and stick with titans here for this fabulous result. So what we're creating right now is more of a planner that also covers accounting ledger and bills as well, so management of bills. So to be honest, I'm not really super familiar with this niche just because it's quite financial and technical as well, but you can go ahead and have a look at the couple of books that are ranking quite well as well and see what you can do when it comes to that. Now, also another thing that you could do is head over, copy and paste that keyword, head over to something like Creative Fabrica, and then you will be able to get an overview of 14 results of what kind of interiors there are for this kind of keyword. Absolutely amazing, great way to get started on this niche. So these were the 3 keywords for the day. Stay tuned for part 2 where I'll be diving into the really rough, detailed part 2 series of any of the keywords that are related to this niche. If you enjoyed today's video, click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and have a great day.